mental health and awareness of mental health. We're very happy to present this event for the first time in KES. As we know, mental health is a very important topic today to be talked on, especially in the current situation of COVID-19. Mental health is one of the leading causes right now that is existing around. Our speaker for the webinar is Ms. Shruti Namdar. She has a master's in industrial psychology, diploma in human resource management from Wellinkar Institute. Okay. PG diploma in counseling psychology from Xavier's Institute of Counseling Psychologists. She's currently working as a professor of psychology at KES Shroff College. She also works as a personal counselor for our college. She has an experience of 5 years of teaching psychology and 3 years as a personal therapist. She also does freelance training assignments for educational institutes. In today's webinar, our aim is to promote mental health advocacy and educating the students on relevant issues regarding our mental health. One small appeal to all the participants, please try to fill the feedback form at the end of the session. Yes, to Shruti ma'am.
All right. Hello, everybody. I'm really glad to see so many people here, and it's really lovely that you are here. The one thing that I have done right now, so the way that we are going to go about doing this is that initially there are spaces that I have kept for people to come and communicate with us, and we would really love for I would love to hear what your opinions are, what your thoughts are, and that's basically how we are going to actually go about understanding today's webinar. So there will be times when we will be speaking. I have, of course, kept my chat box absolutely open. So at any point, if you feel like you want to share anything, you want to say anything, the chat box is open. Although because of time constraint, the conversations in terms of you being able to unmute yourself and speak will be restricted, at least for certain parts. And of course, later it will all be thrown open, and at the end of the seminar, the webinar, I would love to take questions. So if you have any questions at whatever point, please make a note of them. It would be really helpful to have a pen and a paper with yourself, if that's not too much to ask for, so that you can actually write down whatever's coming to your mind and whatever you would like to share. So coming back to today, today is actually a very beautiful day. If there are any days to be celebrated, I think today is one of those days that has to be celebrated across the world, and more so in today's times, because as you all might know, and like what Kashish said too, we're actually sort of getting really worked up lately. COVID-19 hasn't helped our situation. It's not like before COVID life was any better. So we understand, as I'm a counselor, I do understand. I get a lot of cases that talk about all these things. So yes, it is difficult, and COVID-19 has only made it worse. But that's exactly why we are here. We're here to talk about mental health. And unfortunately, for all these years that I've been a part of the KES Shroff College, it has not been possible, because every time during October we have our exams. So so if we can actually attribute anything to COVID in terms of giving it any credit, well, this is it's made it possible for us to actually speak about mental health and create some kind of awareness. Okay, so I hope we're clear with how we're going to go. At whatever point, if you feel like you need to talk to me, please put anything up on chat. I'm always reading my chats. Some of you are people, or rather, some of you are people whom I'm not teaching, but the rest of you I am teaching, and you know exactly how I am so adept now at reading or teaching what I'm supposed to, and then at the same time also reading your chats and responding to that. So that should never be a problem. All right. So welcome everybody. Today's World Mental Health Day, and it's really special because we get to talk about the best things of ourselves. So like I had mentioned in the poster, it's all about love and acceptance and self-care. So today we're going to talk about a lot of self-care. So as you may be aware, what are we here for? So these are basically the objectives of today's session. We are here to basically talk about or create a space where we talk about mental health. I think it's very important that we talk about mental health. I think we're very used to talking about our physical health. We're very comfortable talking about our physical health or all our problems related to physical health. But when it comes to mental health, we all take a step back. We think a lot of times, even before telling people that, okay, you know what, मुझे कुछ problems महसूस हो रही है या मुझे कुछ हिचकिचाहट है, I'm feeling low, हम नहीं बोलते हैं because there is a huge amount of stigma attached to it. So we are also here today to talk and destigmatize seeking help. So स्टिग्मा माने हम लोग जब बोलते हैं मेंटल हेल्थ के बारे में, so जब एक सिंपल सी बात बताती हूँ, मैं जब पहले से ही लाइक इवन ड्यूरिंग कॉलेज जब मैं साइकोलॉजी पढ़ने वाली हूँ, ऐसे मैंने किसी को भी कभी बोला तो सब लोग ऐसे ही बोलते, अरे तू तो पागल लोगों का ख्याल रखेगी, पागल लोगों के साथ तू डील करेगी. And it's just the fact that we don't necessarily understand psychology in its entirety. And I think I and all my psychology students and all of you guys who will now probably after this session have a better understanding of what psychologists do, or what we try to do at least, will be more apparent. It's not about pagalpan ya not pagalpan. It is about just knowing कि भाई कभी तो stress होता है, और ऐसा कोई भी यहाँ पर नहीं होगा जो मुझे बोलेगा कि नहीं मुझे कभी भी stress नहीं होता. और stress का मतलब भी हम लोग बात करेंगे, किस टाइप का stress and everything हम लोग बात करेंगे आज. But destigmatize करना बहुत जरूरी है. It's very important that we destigmatize it. Instead of making somebody feel very conscious, in fact guilty या shameful about having certain mental problems, we should make it normal. अब किसी का पेट खराब होता है तो हम बोलते हैं कि अरे किसी को मत बताना, ये कैसे बताने वाली बात है क्या? नहीं, हम लोग उसको बोलते हैं अरे चलो पहले डॉक्टर के पास चलो. हम ऐसा नहीं बोलते अरे तू ट्राई कर, अपने अपने से ही ट्राई कर, ऐसा नहीं बोलते हैं. तो ये हमको नॉर्मलाइज करना है. सो डीस्टिग्मेटाइजिंग सीकिंग हेल्प, मदद लेने को हमको नॉर्मलाइज करना है. Focus on self care, of course, because of course I want people to take care of themselves, and whatever little tips, of course it's not an exhaustive list, there's so much more that we can do while taking care of ourselves. But some of the things that I feel are extremely essential, and from the basis on the basis of all my counseling experience, I think that these things, if people follow, I think it would make things a little more easy for everybody. And finally, we will also learn to identify and problems with people, learning to identify and help our loved ones. So अगर कोई हमारा करीबी इंसान है, हमारा कोई दोस्त है या भाई है, मम्मी डैडी है, भाई बहन है, उनको कभी अगर कोई तकलीफ महसूस होती है तो उनको हम लोग ने कैसे रिस्पॉन्ड करना चाहिए. सेल्फ केयर एज एन हमारे खुद को कैसे हम लोग ठीक कर सकते हैं. ठीक माने हाउ कैन यू टेक केयर ऑफ योर सेल्फ. सेल्फ केयर इज जस्ट बेसिकली टेकिंग केयर ऑफ योर सेल्फ. what can you do on an everyday basis, what can you make a habit of, so that you don't actually move towards mental problems. Okay, I hope we're clear about the objectives part. So what is mental health? So now here's where I want to actually open out conversations. So you can unmute yourself at at this part, and you can tell me what you think mental health is. So anybody who has anything to say about mental health is free to do so.
Mentally stable.
Sorry?
Mentally stable.
Mentally stable hona. Okay, very good. All right. What else?
Ma'am, our mind's well-being maybe.
Your mind's well-being. Okay. What would you consider as mind's well-being? Whom would you say that this person is? जैसे तुम लोग बोल रहे हो mentally stable या mind का well-being, आप emotionally and socially is what Isha Panikar is saying. And sure, I mean I completely agree. Sure. Anybody else would like to add to that? behavioral and cognitive well-being. Sure, that's also one of the ways to look at it. Yes.
The manner in which someone reacts in some negative or situations, very negative.
Sure. So the way that they react to different situations, yes, absolutely. Because your life throws you so many curveballs, and we have to constantly keep adapting ourselves to ensure that we are on top of the game all the time. So yes, very, very correctly, as you've mentioned. Yes, absolutely. What about other people?
It's just like a physical health. If we have a problem in our body, we try to cure it. So the same thing goes for the mental
Absolutely,
behavior.
absolutely, absolutely. So when you say that somebody can cure something, my question, that's exactly what my question is. Yeah, so how हम क्या कर सकते हैं, या हम कैसे बोलेंगे कि ये इंसान अच्छा mentally stable है या mentally healthy है, right? Zui says here that the capacity and capability of a person to healthily process our emotions and things that are happening around us. So yes, that's a great answer.
मैम
Nishika?
I think mental health जो आपने बोला कि when can we say that a person is mentally healthy? Okay, so I think when the outer situations, when the outer world doesn't affect our inner mind, like जब बाहर की चीजें हमारे अंदर को hurt नहीं कर पाती है, जब हमारा mind stable होता है, in Hindi I would rather say when it is स्थिर, at that time I think at that time we can say that it is mental health, like the person is mentally healthy.
Okay, fine. All right. So, to an extent, yes, but not completely. So, because by going by that definition, anybody who will probably allow something to affect them, it would probably make them mentally unhealthy. So, which is not the case. We are all mentally healthy, and yet we get affected majorly by everything around us. So, yes, Rutuj here says, I guess it's a state of our mind, not just positives and negatives. Absolutely. Princey says, something that affects our moods, thinking, and behavior. Sure. Disha says mental health means different things for different people. Absolutely. Charlotte says mental health is all about how people think, feel, and behave. So let me tell you, none of y'all are entirely wrong at all. So I am so glad that all of you have, yes, behavioral adjustment. That's what Samiksha says. So I'm so happy that so many of y'all have actually thought about all these things, that mental health के बारे में इतने लोगों ने सोचा है, यही बहुत अच्छी बात है. Okay, Sakshi uses a curse word which I will not say, but it's about not caring about everything. Jinesh says mental health depends on how we react to things, and at last it forms moods in us. Yes, so to an extent everybody has their definitions almost right. Okay, so we are going to actually look at what one of the definitions of mental health is. So mental health is nothing but the capacity to live a full productive life, as well as the flexibility to deal with the ups and downs. So this is exactly what you meant, right? When we are trying to deal with everything that's happening around us, a healthy mind can only make a healthy life. Yes, absolutely, Janvi. Yes, Zui says that we are going to be affected by everything around us, but the way we adapt to it. So that's exactly what the definition says, that it's the flexibility that allows us to deal with the ups and downs. In children and young people, it is especially about the capacity to learn, enjoy friendships, to meet challenges, to develop talents and capabilities. So this is basically what mental health really is about. It's not some ऐसा utopian या कोई आउट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड कोई कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं है. ये सारी चीजें हम हर रोज करते हैं. इट्स जस्ट दैट हम लोग वो सारी चीजें बहुत ग्रांटेड पकड़ते हैं. A lot of times we take ourselves granted for all the things that we do, and we need to appreciate that about ourselves, and that's something that I think we have to start doing today. Okay, let's take this opportunity to actually start. Now, to begin with, the most important thing that I wanted to actually talk about is mental health is a continuum. Okay, if you guys understand what a continuum is basically one end which is a crisis situation, जहाँ पे हम बोल सकते हैं कि किसी को mental problems है, yes, and the other end is basically जिसको हम लोग जो एकदम perfect situation बोलते हैं, जो पूरी तरह से mentally healthy और excelling है. Okay, तो हम लोग all the time कोई भी इंसान, by the way, and this includes me also, हम लोग कोई भी इंसान कभी भी full यहाँ या full वहाँ नहीं होते हैं. So when we talk about people with disorders, mental disorders, we are not actually saying that they are, either people are like this, or like they are like this. Aisa nahi hai. You and I have been in the middle so many times in our lives. So as you can see, it's a mental health is a continuum where you can be there'll be some days when you will be like so amazing, so happy, you will feel so full of life, you will feel like you can achieve almost anything in the world, you are feeling absolutely positive about everything, you are trying to conquer everything. Thriving is also similar to that, but a little less intensity, of course, where you are still feeling really happy about everything that's going on in your life. Then some days you're just surviving, where most of the times we are actually surviving, we're just going through the days in a very neutral fashion. क्या हम लोग यहाँ पे ऐसे कोई है जो constantly happy या constantly sad होते हैं? Most of us are actually just surviving on most days. We are not necessarily, मैं ऐसा जैसे हम लोग बोलते हैं ना, we're not like drugged to be constantly happy, like I'm just like, this is great, this is great. You can't do that either. And the other end of it is also a lot of expenditure of emotions, which is also in turn very very ड्रेनिंग. मतलब तुम्हारा कोई भी इमोशन जब आप फील करते हो, जब ये एक्सपीरियंस करते हो, वो आपसे बहुत सारी चीजें, आपके रिसोर्सेज लेता रहता है, राइट? सो mental health is a continuum. Sometimes we are struggling with our mental health. kabhi hum log ko bahut rona aata hai. Sometimes we can't really make sense of what is happening, and you just hum log hatash feel karne lagte hain ki nahi ho raha hai, things are not going our way, and I'm feeling like I'm going crazy in my head. And then of course there are times when we are in crisis, and it's not just when you are in crisis when you should start looking out for help. That's the entire point of today's conversation, that let's start talking about mental health so normal that we don't have to wait for somebody to be pushed towards the crisis level for them to start talking. You know what I'm saying? हम जैसे नॉर्मली खाना खाते कि आज खाने में क्या है, आज अच्छा मुझे ये खाना अच्छा लगता है, मुझे वो खाना अच्छा लगता है, मुझे ये करना पसंद है, मुझे वो करना पसंद है, जो नॉर्मली हम लोग चीजें करते हैं उसके बारे में हम लोग कितना नॉर्मली बातें करते हैं, वैसे ही नॉर्मली हमको हमारे मेंटल हेल्थ के बारे में भी बात करना चाहिए. सो उसकी वजह से अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स हमारे जो इश्यूज कंपाउंड होते हैं ना, वो नहीं हो पाएंगे. Mishika, would it be fine if you could type your question or keep it for later? Is that okay, Mishika?
It's okay.
Yeah, sure. All right. So mental health, of course, is a continuum, like I said. So here's basically a chart of what mental health is and is not. So let's look at the is's first. So mental health is everyone's right, okay? Which means that nobody should ever be made to feel like ये तुमको जरूरी नहीं है, ये हर एक का हक है. Mental health अच्छा होना हर एक का हक है. Okay, it is extremely important. It is as important as, well, if somebody tells you that they have a physical condition like cancer, how seriously would you take that? You would take that very seriously, and you would make all the kind of accommodations and adjustments for these people. So mental health is extremely important for everybody, and it's everybody's right. Okay, I think that is another person. जैसे हम लोग ट्रीट करते हैं ना मेंटल हेल्थ को कि अरे उसके बारे में बात करना पड़ेगा, ये है, उसको पता है ऐसा हो रहा है, मेरे को पता है ये पार्ट मुझे, वी डो हम हमारे मेंटल हेल्थ वाले जो एस्पेक्ट को ना अपनाने से हिचकिचाते हैं, तो वो हमको नहीं करना है. वो हमको वी हैव टू ट्रीट इट लाइक अ पार्ट ऑफ अस. जैसे ये हाथ मेरे पार्ट का हिस्सा है, मेरे बॉडी का हिस्सा है, वैसे ये जो है ना यहाँ मेंटल हेल्थ या मेरे दिमाग में जो है जिसकी वजह से मैं ऑपरेट कर पाती हूँ, वो भी मेरा ही हिस्सा है. So I have to treat it like it's my part. Linked to physical health as well, and we will talk about this in detail in terms of how physical health and mental health are so tightly connected with each other that it's not even, it's not even something that we can take for granted. So the second you start you start feeling some problems in your mental health, I can guarantee you that there will be physical problems. Okay, something as simple as, like, I keep on talking to my students about this, and this is something that I am aware of. The second I start getting extremely stressed, that is when I know that my neck and my back completely get frozen. And this is a physiological problem, right? Because neck being frozen and the back being like, really tight and like hurting like hell is a physical issue. But I know, because I have now observed myself over so many years, I know that this is not just a physical problem. It is actually induced by stress, and stress is definitely a mental health concern, right? It's a continuum, like we've already spoken. It's necessary definitely to look after. The extremely important to look after. I know of so many of my students who take great care about their physical health, in the sense that they look amazing. I mean, all of my students look amazing because they actually take so much care about how they look and how they're supposed to present themselves. And most people in general are focused more on the physical aspects of our presentation, but we don't really care about what's happening inside, because that, again, like I said, is very very essential to be looked after. अपने को खुद को ख्याल रखना बहुत जरूरी है. It is something to fight for. It is not something to be taken for granted, and उसको हल्के में बिल्कुल भी नहीं लेना है. Mental health is real. It's not an abstract concept. हम सोसाइटी में देखते हैं कितने सारे लोग, they will talk about it as if it's a choice, whether you have it or you don't have it, or you're not working towards it, and how you should and can do anything and everything you want to do. Well, of course you can work on it, but nobody chooses to have bad mental health. Okay, so we need not actually dismiss people jinko problems ho rahe. It is complex, so that is very very important, as if brain is not a part of their body. Exactly. So it is extremely complex, and like Rutuj had mentioned, it is positive as well as negative. We have to stop thinking of mental health as only positive things. It is absolutely unrealistic to think that we should constantly be feeling positive emotions only. So now we move on to what mental health isn't. Mental health isn't something to be ignored. Okay, it's as real as anything gets. Okay, so please do not ignore that. It's not a sign of weakness. It's just something. अगर तुम्हारा हाथ कट जाता है तो तुम क्या उसको एक वीकनेस की तरह देखते हो? नहीं ना, एक एक्सीडेंट है या एक कोई सिचुएशन है जिसको डील करना है. इट्स एज सिंपल एज दैट. सो मेंटल हेल्थ क्यों अलग हो? तो वो भी कोई साइन ऑफ वीकनेस नहीं है, उससे कोई अशेम्ड होने वाली बात नहीं है. इट्स नथिंग टू बी अशेम्ड ऑफ. It's not just all in your mind. And now this is something that I've heard from so many people, in terms of, but if everything is in your mind, then why can't we deal with it? I mean, of course, the cancer is also in my body, but does that mean that I can cure my own cancer just because it is within my body? So if it is in my mind, it's as real as the cancer in my body. So if it is something that is causing me problem, I have to pay attention to it. I can't just wish it away कि हाँ चलो मेरा मन का पावर बहुत अच्छा है, चलो मैं उसको एक्सपेक्ट करती हूँ कि वो निकल जाएगा. तो जैसे कैंसर विश करके नहीं निकलेगा, वैसे सिर्फ विश करके आपके माइंड के प्रॉब्लम्स भी नहीं निकलने वाले हैं. इट्स नॉट अ लग्जरी फॉर द रिच. मीनिंग ये मेंटल हेल्थ हम जब बोलते हैं ना कि हाँ, we've had actually a very good role models like Deepika Padukone and all these really A-lister celebrities who've come out and they've actually spoken about depression and all those things. But हम जब बोलते हैं ना, as lay people, we think that हाँ उनको तो टाइम है ना ये सब करने का, उनके पास तो बहुत टाइम होता है, ये फिर मेंटल हेल्थ के उनके चोचले चलते रहते हैं. But no, it's not like that. Do you know that a lot of research says that as in a lot of people from lower socioeconomic strata go through mental health problems so much more. It's just that they don't get help. because of the stigma, because of so many different reasons, they just don't get help. And that's a big problem. It's not just for the rich. And that's the thing, you know, that's also a thing about mental health. A lot of times people will say, अभी दीपिका को क्या प्रॉब्लम है, उसकी जिंदगी में तो सब कुछ अच्छा है, बहुत पैसे है, दिखने में अच्छी दिखती है, so many people will die to love her and everything, and yet ये लोग को नाटक चल रहा है अपना, मेरे को डिप्रेशन. So यही हमको जानना जरूरी है कि ये कोई ऐसी चीज नहीं है कि तुम्हारे पास सब मटेरियलिस्टिक चीजें है, या अदरवाइज भी अगर तुमको फैमिली सपोर्ट है तो तुमको मेंटल हेल्थ इश्यूज नहीं होंगे. तो ऐसी भी बात नहीं है. Okay, it is definitely claimed to get benefits or exemptions. You should get exemptions just the way that you get for physical issues. You must get benefits and exemptions for your problems with mental health. Okay, it's something that you decide to it's not something that, it isn't something that you decide to have or not have. It is same as it isn't same as mental illness, in the sense that जस्ट बिकॉज मुझे स्ट्रेस हो रहा है इसका मतलब मुझे कोई दिमागी बीमारी है. डायरेक्टली हम लोग लेबलिंग पे भी जो चले जाते हैं ना, तो ये ये ऐसा नहीं है. इट इज नॉट सपोज टू बी सेम एज दैट. मेरे को जस्ट बिकॉज मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम है, मुझे मेंटल डिस्टर्बेंसेस हो रहे, इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि आप मुझे लेबल कर दोगे. अब इन लेबल से भी हमको बचना है, क्योंकि ये सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम आ जाता है because of these sort of, what do you call it, labels. People don't go out and seek any kind of help, and it is definitely not fake. Okay, this is something that we have to agree. Okay, so just to make this a little more interactive, I would love for you guys to actually log on to this. Go to www.menti.com and use the code that's on the screen. I would totally love for us to have a conversation about this. Just give me a second. I'm going to share a screen. All right. So please go to www.menti.com and use the code that's on the screen. And I would love for you to give me your answers to this. So 2 words are allowed, unfortunately. So just why do you think it's important to talk about mental health, and what are the possible effects of mental health neglect? So इन चीजों को अगर आपके पास 1 या 2 वर्ड्स में कोई आंसर है तो प्लीज वो आंसर उस पे टाइप कीजिए. And you will see that your answers will be flashed on the screen. All right, somebody says peace and survival. So what are the effects also of mental health neglect? I think I would love for you to hear. I would love to hear that also. Yes, it improves relationships. Absolutely. To express yourself. Yes. For betterment, to improve well-being, to have a stable mind, to have peaceful thoughts, breaking stereotypes, receding into depressions, correct? Rest, frustration. Beautiful. Improve well-being, self-acceptance, internally, inner peace, positive thoughts. A lot of people have said peace. This is great. Frustration, nice. Mental disorders can happen, correct? To stop suicidal thoughts, very good. Absolutely. To be at peace with yourself. No energy to live, correct? For living a better life, for betterment, relaxed and feeling good, correct? To be heard, darkness, self-care. So 25 people have already given their, answers to what they think this is. Mental disorders, correct, absolutely. Leads to depression, mental health divide, correct, totally true. "31 people, free life, correct. Better survival, to be happy, well-being, secure thoughts, life expectancy, to increase life expectancy, correct, absolutely. Stress, peace is so to destigmatize it, absolutely, it's important to speak. I'm so glad that you have so many thoughts about all of this. It is absolutely essential that we talk about all of this, is because as you can see, a lot of you have spoken about well-being and peace and survival and just wanting to live a better life. And it's great that, so many of my participants today, we have 62 people with us today, and all these 62 people are really into wanting to be happy. And I can guarantee that all these 62 people will have probably at some point in their lives gone through something. To be aware of oneself, that's a very important question that you have actually or rather an answer that you have given over there, to heal out of stress. Yes, so these 62 people have seen their days in sunshine, and of course some of the rainy days that we call as the bad days. ये सब देखा हुआ है इतने सारे लोगों ने, एंड येट वो समझते हैं कि इसके बारे में बात करना इतना इम्पोर्टेंट है, इसको हम लोग निग्लेक्ट करेंगे तो काफी सारे लोगों ने लिखा है कि फ्रस्ट्रेशन होगा, डिप्रेशन में जा सकते हैं, मेंटल डिसऑर्डर्स हो सकते हैं। हम इसको एज अ सोसाइटी अभी भी काफी हल्का लेते हैं, वी डोंट, और हम उनका मजाक भी उड़ाते हैं। It's when Deepika Padukone actually came out and she spoke about her depression, I remember that there was some other leading heroes that made fun of the entire thing. And that's what I'm saying, that there is also this huge majority in our society that think that this is nothing, that this is just something that once somebody told me that this is like babysitting somebody, and it's not like babysitting somebody. It is like it is just wanting to live your life on better terms, being more satisfied with who you are, fulfilled. So when you sleep at night, how do you feel about yourself? Now that's very, very important, because if you feel anxious, you feel a lot of negative thoughts, and you're not taking care of that, and you're constantly afraid of even communicating this to other people, this is not a nice space that we have as a society created for you. And I feel terribly sorry that we are these kind of people, right? So this is of course one of the questions. The other question of course will flash on your screen. What stops us from seeking help? I would like you to answer that. What stops you from seeking help? Fear, society, labeling, judgments, misunderstandings, shame, getting judged, absolutely, insecurity. Therapy is expensive. That's a very good point over there. It's said to be weak, correct? Social stigma, correct? Absolutely. Ego, nice. That's a nice one. Ego is also one of the things that stops us from wanting and seeking help. True, absolutely. Okay, does it make you feel attention seeking? Okay, fine. Nothing. Someone says that there's nothing stopping us from seeking help. That's amazing. If nothing is stopping you from seeking help, then that's great. Making a fool of yourself, yes, that can also sometimes be one of the reasons why we avoid this. Negligence of the problem. as I can see, the words that are in the middle, they're not necessarily just the first words. Huh? A lot of people have given the same answer, and that's why those words stay bigger, okay, in the middle. So yes, there is fear and there's self confrontation. Very good. It's difficult to confront yourself. There's lack of information, orthodox society, less awareness, people are introverts, there's a lot of anxiety, there is independence, okay, self independence की वजह से भी नहीं करते हो, okay, fine. Attitude, you are there. Someone says you are there for us, ma'am. I am glad you feel like you can approach me, and that's really great. Teasing, yes, teasing is a huge thing. Nothing stops me, which is great. I'm glad nothing stops you. Illiteracy, correct. Fear of being judged, making a fool of yourself. Yes. So basically, as we can see that these are, some of the very common things that we have. Social stigma, some of the questions that you've actually come up, some of the answers that you've come up with are really, really relevant also, because yes, therapy is extremely expensive, and like I have mentioned this in my class so many times, not too many insurance companies will actually cover your mental health concerns. So what happens is that we make it especially more difficult for people to actually access mental health. Correct. There is no empathy towards people's problems. Absolutely. People call you indifferent or weird. Yes, these are, by the way, things that I am also reading from the chats that people have written. But yes, there is so much of this. So, the thing that you all have spoken about. So, like now, अब हम जब society की बात करते हैं, तो of course society में तो problems है ही, because हमको नहीं मालूम है exactly कि सोसाइटी कैसे हैंडल कर रही है चीजों को, और वो क्या क्या समझती है हम जैसे लोगों के बारे में भी, जो अभी यहाँ पर बैठ के ये बातें कर रहे हैं, तो उनको भी ऐसा मतलब वो तो खैर अलग सी बात है, लेकिन जब आप बात करते हो कि थेरेपी एक्सपेंसिव है, तो ये तो रियल प्रॉब्लम है, इन द सेंस कि आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट सोसाइटी का स्टिग्मा इज नॉट रियल, इट्स absolutely real, and that is one of the biggest reasons why nobody goes for therapy. But even if we were to actually smash that barrier, therapy is expensive. It is, we don't necessarily also have information. So one of the things that my students had actually asked me to mention in in our in the session was, whom do we go to ask for help? Now, this is very, very important for me to explain to you at this point, because we are talking about seeking help. So I think it's very, very essential for me to say कि आप किसके पास मदद के लिए जा सकते हो. तो सबसे पहली बात ये है कि I'm like Samiksha is saying this privately. Although if she could, if everybody could just type for everyone would be able to see it. So when I see that Samiksha says that I'm glad that our college has a counselor. So your college fortunately does have a counselor, and I am your counselor, of course. So I know that a lot of students feel definitely extremely free to come to me. I know that they still have a lot of questions in their mind, and they're a little apprehensive when they come in. But as we continue to have a conversation, we do definitely get along fairly well, and I've been able to just a pat on my back, I've been able to help at least some people, that I can say, right? There's no option for everyone, correct? So what happens is that तुमको पता होना चाहिए कि तुमको किसके पास जाना चाहिए. तो सबसे पहली बात, हम लोग डॉक्टर के पास ही जाते हैं, राइट? हम एक नॉर्मल MBBS डॉक्टर के पास जाते हैं, बिकॉज एक तो बात ऐसी होती है कि जब तक हमको कोई फिजिकल पेन नहीं होता, हम तब तक डॉक्टर के पास जाने की कोशिश नहीं करते. क्योंकि इसीलिए मैं कॉन्स्टेंटली बोल रही हूँ, हाँ थेरेपी एक्सपेंसिव है, और ये बहुत बड़ा प्रॉब्लम हो जाता है कि अरे ये मेरे दिमाग में ही है ना, तो फिर मैं ये हैंडल कर सकता हूँ, ये मैं सोच सकता हूँ, या मैं खुद ही कर लूंगा. ये बहुत ज्यादा चलता है. बट कभी कभी हमको मदद की जरूरत पड़ती है, और इसके लिए कोई बुरी बात नहीं है कि अगर हम मदद लें किसी की. तो सबसे पहले किसके पास जाना चाहिए? तो Again, if it's a physical problem, then yes, of course, the first person you should go to is an MBBS doctor. Okay, if there is any physical problem that needs to be ruled out, it must be ruled out. So अगर तुमको कोई physical condition है आपको, because बहुत सारे हमारे जैसे अभी लड़कियों के लिए बहुत सारे problems होते हैं, जैसे PCOS है, PCOD है, hypothyroidism है, ये सारे जो problems है उसमें बहुत मूड फ्लक्चुएशंस हो सकते हैं. अब इनकी वजह से क्या हो सकता है कि आपका मूड ऊपर नीचे हो रहा है और आपको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि आप क्यों इरिटेबल फील कर रहे हो, ये क्यों इश्यूज ऐसे हो रहे हैं. तो सबसे पहला एक चीज करना जरूरी है कि आप फिजिकल कोई प्रॉब्लम हो तो उसको आप रास्ते से हटा दो, कि ठीक है कोई फिजिकल प्रॉब्लम नहीं, आपके सारे ब्लड टेस्ट और सारे स्कैन्स ठीक से आए हैं, तब फिर हमको देखना पड़ेगा कि आपको मेंटली इश्यूज क्या हो रहे हैं. अगेन this is only when I'm saying that आपको फिजिकल कोई प्रॉब्लम है. Sometimes we are just aware that, maybe I have an anger issue or I'm just feeling sad. So that time, first please seek or go to, yes, we will talk about that. Dishita says, how are we supposed to open up to our parents? Now that's a very, very important question, and we will talk about that, perhaps not in this session because this session ke scope ke bahar ka conversation hai, but we will definitely address this if we have time at the end of the session. So सबसे पहले आप प्लीज एक थेरेपिस्ट के पास जाओ, एक साइकोलॉजिस्ट के पास जाओ, ना कि साइकाट्रिस्ट के पास. So what is the difference between a psychologist and a psychiatrist is that a psychologist is somebody who is trained in therapy, somebody who will help you with behavioral and these milder problems, if I can call them that. Milder because, well, they're not talking about mental disorders just yet. Okay, there are of course clinical psychologists who specifically deal with mental disorders, of course, but they are not allowed to prescribe any medication. Okay, so prescription of medication can only be done by an MBBS doctor. So basically, what is a psychiatrist? A psychiatrist is somebody with an MBBS degree with a special course in in your mental disorders. There's a special course that they do where they understand mental disorders, and that's how they become psychiatrists. Okay, whereas a psychologist is the one who will basically help you out with therapy. So yes, of course psychiatrists also give you therapy, but from my experience, not all psychiatrists give you therapy. So that's also one of the things that is something that is a cautious thing. Again, remember this one thing: there is nothing wrong in taking medication. We need to also make that okay, but we have to anyhow first approach or explain things to our parents. We cannot directly approach any therapist. One good thing for you guys is that you can always approach me first, and then we can chalk out a plan as to how we can go about doing things, right? It is difficult. I understand all your concerns in terms of how do we make our parents understand this is so important, because they will think that अरे ये तो सब आजकल के बच्चों में बहुत ज्यादा नखरे करने की बात हो गई. ये मैंने भी सुना है बहुत कि अरे बच्चों को तो क्या अटेंशन सीकिंग चाहिए होता है इसीलिए ये सब करते हैं. बट ये ऐसी बात नहीं है. हमको ये भी देखना है कि अपने पेरेंट्स के टाइम के जो ये थे, हाँ, दे थिंक इट्स अ फैड, करेक्ट. सो वो सोचते हैं कि उनके टाइम ये सब प्रॉब्लम्स नहीं थे तो तुमको भी नहीं है. बट तुम जिस दौर से गुजरे हो, जितने डिमांड्स आज तुम्हारे ऊपर है, उतने शायद ही उनके ऊपर उतने डिमांड्स थे. Okay, you are constantly being judged, you are constantly sort of because of social media हो या all of these things हो, ये western concept है, correct, ऐसे सभी बोलते हैं. पेरेंट्स लोग मजाक उड़ाएंगे. Miss, I confessed to my parents, but they told me that it's just a phase. Absolutely, most parents think that the phone is a reason behind everything. हाँ, बस उसको विलन बना दिया है फोन को, और वो उसकी वजह से प्रॉब्लम्स हो रहे हैं, ऐसे बोलते हैं. तो सबसे पहले तो प्लीज आप एक थेरेपिस्ट के पास जाइए. ओके, आपके लिए फॉर्चुनेटली मैं हूं, सो आप मेरे पास आ सकते हैं. वी कैन फिगर आउट वेदर दिस इशू एक्चुअली रिक्वायर्स. सो लेट मी टेल यू दिस वन थिंग. I am not a psychiatrist. Of course, most of you know that. I don't hold an MBBS degree and I cannot prescribe medication. So I don't also do clinical cases because I'm not a clinical psychologist. but I can help you out with the basic stuff, in the sense that when we're talking about adjustment issues, self-worth issues, self-esteem issues, all those things we can definitely work. Okay, I want to say something to everyone. You can put that in every, like tum chat में भी privately डाल रहे हो, but you can chat openly also. Okay, so
Able.
yes.
The chat can to three people. You, Kashish, and Puneet.
All right, I don't know what that was. Okay, so
The chat is actually restricted to 3 people.
oh, is it? Oh, okay, okay, okay. All right, wait. Can you now open this up? Can you see it? Can you everyone can publicly chat. So check that out now.
Yes, ma'am. Now.
Yes. All right. I'm also, like I said, getting used to the new technology. All right. So basically, we have, as of now, understood so many things that, that are, sort of linked to mental health. Okay. I am so glad that you participated in this and you gave, there's rigid culture also. So, yes, there's so many things that we have to actually think about when we are just trying to seek help, and we make it so difficult कि किसी को अगर मदद भी चाहिए तो हमने उसको इतना डिफिकल्ट बना दिया है, उसको इतना स्टिग्मेटाइज कर दिया है कि कोई मदद मांगने भी आगे नहीं जाता. तो सबसे पहला आपका अप्रोच होना चाहिए, आप एक बेसिक किसी आदमी से बात करो जो आपको हेल्प कर सकता है इन फिगरिंग आउट एग्जैक्टली आपको किस चीज की जरूरत है. Okay, so if you have to summarize what we have done up until right now, let's just watch this little video so that we can summarize exactly what has been said up until now.
We all have mental health. It is just as important as physical health. It is not only about mental illness or mental disorders. This is just one part of a bigger picture. It's best to think about mental health as being on a continuum, rather than people being either mentally ill or mentally well. We are all on a continuum, and we move up and down according to factors such as our genetic makeup and upbringing, our life circumstances, and the stresses we are under. At one end of the continuum, we have mental disorders, like depression or anxiety. And at the other end, we have states of positive mental health, when we're thriving, content, and fulfilled. The aim of mental health interventions is to move people up the continuum, so that they're able to reach their full potential and live satisfying lives. The World Health Organization describes mental health as a state of well-being in which every individual realizes his or her own potential, can cope with the normal stresses of life, can work productively and fruitfully, and is able to make a contribution to his or her community. Being mentally healthy means being resilient and able to cope with difficult times, feeling in control, being confident, feeling good about yourself, managing and expressing your emotions, building and maintaining good relationships. We all experience periods when we feel stressed, worried, anxious, sad, afraid, or angry. These are all normal emotions. However, when these emotions become severe enough that it interferes with the person's ability to function daily, and these feelings become persistent over time, then it can develop into a mental health problem. There are many different types of mental disorders. When left untreated, mental disorders can be chronic and long-lasting, and are associated with increased disability. They significantly have an impact on daily functioning and frequently interfere with family, social, and work responsibilities. Fortunately, there are effective treatments and evidence-based interventions available that aim to help individuals understand and cope with symptoms of mental illness. However, very few people with mental disorders access existing treatment services. This may be due to barriers such as the stigma attached to seeking help, the lack of understanding of mental health problems, uncertainty of how to get help, or the fear of disclosing mental health problems. Research shows that stigma remains one of the biggest factors preventing people from seeking help early for their mental health problems and getting the appropriate support they need. It is important to acknowledge that we all have mental health and have a personal responsibility to learn how we can improve and maintain our well-being in order to lead meaningful and satisfying lives. Want to learn how you can do this? Great news! Why not join one of our communities and keep exploring more?
All right. So I'm sorry, I heard that some of y'all couldn't hear because the voice was not necessarily clear. So, but I think the video was sort of self-explanatory. What they're talking about is exactly what we've been talking about for the past almost 1 hour now. You know, that it is normal to feel negative emotions. It's normal to feel a whole range of emotions because that's what we do all the time. हम कोई सिर्फ एक emotion feel नहीं करते, हम पूरी रेंज ऑफ इमोशंस फील करते हैं एंड ये नॉर्मल बात है बट कोई अगर इमोशन नेगेटिव इमोशन बहुत टाइम तक परसिस्टेंटली हमको हमारे हर एक फेज ऑफ लाइफ में फैसेट ऑफ लाइफ में तकलीफ दे रही है तो इससे क्या होता है कि that can lead to over a period of time it can lead to a mental disorder or mental health problem. So we need to catch it when it is still just a small problem. That's the entire idea of this session today, so that we make it easy for this conversation to happen. Okay, and like our bodies, our minds can be unwell too, and we just need to accept that. Okay, so what can be, so this is the second part of course my session, where we have to now look at what we can do for ourselves. Okay, I'm sure you guys are like 18 to almost 20 years of age, and in these 18 to 20 years of your existence, you have figured out various ways to take care of yourself, and you do this, I'm sure, on a daily basis, or hopefully I hope you do this on a daily basis and you take care of yourself. But these are just certain tips, like I said, that would probably help you guys deal with certain issues a little better. So this is, like I said, not an exhaustive list, so there's so much more that we can do, but just certain things that I thought were very important for us to actually think about. So first is awareness and acceptance. Okay, in my opinion, everything starts with awareness and acceptance. Okay, if I can actually get to know myself through my eyes, okay, a lot of what we do or we say or we behave or believe is basically what other people tell us about us. ओके तुम ऐसे हो, तुम लेजी हो, तुमसे हो नहीं सकता ये काम, तुम वो नहीं कर सकते हो, दिस इज नॉट व्हाट यू आर, you should want this, you should want to have a bigger house, you should want to have a beautiful wife. These are all things that people are telling you should have. So this is not necessarily something that this is not awareness. Okay, this is not who you think you are. Okay, so the best way to actually do this is spend some time with yourself. Try to look at yourself and accept yourself the way that you are. Okay, we all have these sets of ideals that have been set for us कि एक अच्छा स्टूडेंट कैसा होना चाहिए, एक अच्छा भाई कैसा होना चाहिए, एक अच्छा बेटा कैसा होना चाहिए. Correct, right? So yes, yes, Purvi, you're absolutely right. But not everybody might know Johari window. We will talk about that later. Yeah. So the whole idea is that we are now following what other people's standards of what we should be. कि मुझे ऐसा बनना है, टीचर्स को प्रूव करना है, मेरे को अच्छा स्टूडेंट बनना है, मम्मी डैडी को प्रूव करना है, तो मुझे एक अच्छा बेटा बनना है, अच्छी बेटी बनना है, सोसाइटी को प्रूव करना है, तो मेरे पास कार होनी चाहिए, इतना बड़ा घर होना चाहिए. So what we are doing is we're just fulfilling other people's expectations of us. That's not being aware, and that's definitely not accepting yourself for who you are. Okay, so that's definitely one of the things that we have to start off with. Okay, the second one is being mindful. Now, one way to be extremely aware, okay, is being mindful about what you are. Now look at this very cute drawing that I saw. And it's like, are you mindful? Is your mind full, or are you mindful? Where you are, do you enjoy your moments for what they are? कि हम कहीं पर भी बैठे हो तो हम किसी और चीज के बारे में सोचते हैं कि इसके बाद क्या करना है, घर पे जाके ये काम है, मम्मी ने ये बोला था, बॉयफ्रेंड से ये मेरे को काम, बॉयफ्रेंड का ये मेरे को काम करना है, फ्रेंड ने मुझे नोट्स देने को बोले थे तो वो करना है. So are we constantly thinking about something else? That is one thing that is definitely a big problem, because what we're doing is we are overwhelming our capacity. Okay, this is psychologically proven that at any point you have only so many resources to use up for your processing of your in your mind. Okay, and at that moment, if you are constantly going to think about so many things, what are you going to do is you are going to just exhaust your resources and you will not be able to enjoy. अब मैं ना movie references भी देती हूँ. Do you remember there was this movie called ये जवानी है दीवानी, जिसमें दीपिका पादुकोण and Ranbir Kapoor, they're sitting at this sunset, and while he's sitting there, Ranbir Kapoor ka character tells Deepika Padukone ki character ko that, you know what, we have this light and sound show that we have to go and watch because it's supposed to be Nasu. That's what he says, right? And they're constant, and she's like, you know what, हाँ जा सकते हैं, but of course, हम जिंदगी में सब कुछ तो constantly नहीं कर सकते. We need to be mindful of where we are. जब हम हमारी फैमिली के साथ, हाँ कुछ ना कुछ तो छूटना ही है, करेक्ट. सो जब हम फैमिली के साथ बैठते हैं, क्या हम सच्ची में फैमिली के साथ होते हैं कि हमारा आधा ध्यान इस फोन पे होता है कि अरे मेरी फ्रेंड मुझे मैसेज करने वाली है, मुझे नोट्स का कुछ करना है. तो जिधर है उधर का ही मजा लेना चाहिए, करेक्ट. ये सबको डायलॉग वगैरह सब याद है, बट दैट्स एग्जैक्टली व्हाट माइंडफुल होना होता है. ओके, माइंडफुल होने के लिए ना तुमको खुद के लिए भी थोड़े से तुम्हारे पैटर्न्स, अवेयरनेस का जो बात करी थी मैं, वो तुमको खुद के पैटर्न्स भी देखने पड़ेंगे कि क्या होता है जिसकी वजह से मुझे कोई ट्रिगर पॉइंट पता चले कि व्हेन आई फील लाइक आई एम गोइंग डाउन अ सर्टेन स्पाइरलिंग, when I'm spiraling down, so what are these triggers that are happening to me? What is it in my head? How am I thinking? How am I feeling? How am I behaving, because of which I am becoming like this? So you have to be mindful, you have to basically enjoy what is there and be aware of what you are doing. How do we stop getting triggered? It's not one thing, but you need to observe. Like I said about my example, कि stress में मेरा ये सब गर्दन ये हो जाता है, तो ये ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम मैंने ऑब्जर्व किया है, मॉनिटर किया है खुद को, तब मुझे आज पता है कि ये जो गर्दन मेरी अटक जाती है तो वो सिर्फ ईशा, बाय द वे दैट वाज ईशा आस्किंग मी अ क्वेश्चन, सो दैट्स व्हाई आई एम रिस्पोंडिंग टू दैट, कि ये जब मुझे होता है मुझे मालूम है इट इज बिकॉज मुझे स्ट्रेस हो रहा है, बिकॉज आई हैव नोटिस्ड कि स्ट्रेस होता है हमेशा ये हो जाता है, स्ट्रेस होता है फिर ये होता है. तो नाउ आई हैव लर्नड दैट दीज आर माय पैटर्न्स. You will also have your own patterns of thoughts, feelings, and actions that trigger you or that trigger something within you. So you need to be more aware of that. Okay. And of course, like I said, even backache is a sign. Yes, it could be a sign, absolutely. But like I said, it's something for you to monitor over a period of time. For me to just sit here and assume something for you would be absolutely wrong, right? So mindful hona bahut zaruri hai. Okay. Another thing that is extremely essential is you need to stop comparing yourself with other people. We have a lot of concept of शर्मा जी का बेटा, पर सबसे वर्स्ट क्या होता है पता है क्या, बाहर लोग करते ही रहते हैं, but the worst is you do it to yourself. Okay, you compare yourself to other people. हाँ, बाहर के लोग तो करते हैं, वो तो करते ही है, लेकिन जब तुम करने लगो तब वो तुमको अफेक्ट होने लगता है. इतना याद रखो कि it will start affecting you only when you do that to yourself. Okay. And one caution, one word of caution here, and that's why I love this slide a lot, because it says that I don't have to put someone else down to feel good about myself. Okay, I am awesome and the other person is also awesome. It's just that we are two different people who are awesome, but we are awesome in our own ways. So comparisons are ridiculous because you have not lived my life, I have not lived your life. And if you were to ever compare, हम compare कब कर सकते हैं? जब दो चीज सेम हो। हम सेम ही नहीं है तो हम कंपेयर कैसे? सिमिलर हो तब कंपेयर कर सकते हैं, तो हम सिमिलर तो है ही नहीं। हमारी जर्नी सबकी अलग अलग होती है। तो हम किसी और को अगर गिराकर हम अपने बारे में अगर अच्छा फील करें तो वो एक साइन ऑफ इनसिक्योरिटी है, तो उससे भी हमको बचना है। कि किसी और का बुरा बोल के कि वो हमसे कम है या वो तो ऐसे ही है, तब अगर हमको अच्छा लगे तो वो भी बहुत गलत बात है। बट फर्स्ट यू हैव टू स्टॉप कंपेयरिंग योरसेल्फ टू अदर पीपल। ओके, another thing is you have to set achievable goals. Okay, now baby steps is something that I keep telling all my clients. Don't expect like magical changes overnight, wo nahi hone wala hai. Okay, every day is different, right? And so are you. You are evolving every day. So there will be days when you don't feel as much to you don't feel as excited or whatever to ऐसे मतलब ऐसे up and about नहीं लग रहा है आज, तो तुम थोड़ा सा ही इम्प्रूवमेंट करना। कुछ दिन बहुत पॉजिटिव लगता है, बहुत अच्छा लगता है, हाँ तभी फिर मैनेजेबल गोल्स रखो। तुम अगर बहुत ही बोलोगे कि मेरे को 1 साल में ये कर देने का है, तो अगर वो गोल इतना डिफिकल्ट है अटेन करने को, सो आई कैन गारंटी कि तुम उसकी तरफ बढ़ोगे नहीं और हताश होके आज ही गिर जाओगे, बिकॉज यूल बी लाइक ये तो होने लायक ही नहीं है चीज, right? Like life of people on social media, we compare a lot through social media, absolutely. तो तुम अपने लिए see, you need to be a better version of yourself only, और इतना भी तुमने कर लिया तो ये दुनिया में सबसे बड़ी बात है। तुमको अंबानी से कंपेयर नहीं करना है, तुमको जेफ बेजोस से कंपेयर नहीं करना है, तुम तुमसे कंपेयर करो। क्या मैं कल से आज बेटर हूं? तो ये बहुत अच्छी बात है। पर मैं आज समझो कल से बेहतर भी नहीं हूं, तब भी क्या मैं अपने आप को कोशिश कर रहा हूं बेहतर करने की? दैट इज इनफ। ओके, कट योरसेल्फ सम स्लैक, set achievable goals so that you can actually achieve them. If you make ekdam gigantic goals that are completely unachievable, then I can guarantee you that it will not succeed. Okay, and this is the most important thing ever. Okay, nobody is superior, nobody is inferior, nobody is equal either. You are you and I am I, absolutely. Sometimes even the smallest goal is unattainable because we just want to stop for a while. Is that okay? It's absolutely okay. Sometimes you just want to stay at a place, and and that in itself can take a lot of courage to do. So please cut yourself that slack कि भाई आज मुझे नहीं कहीं पे जाने का मन कर रहा है, मुझे आज यहीं पे बैठना है थोड़ा टाइम, मेरे को आई नीड टू टेक सम टाइम। हम जब I don't know if how many of you like to climb or do treks or whatever. I really like them, but my stamina is really bad. So I've tried to trek once with a person who was like a professional trekker, and I was ashamed of myself. Okay, I hated myself because I made him also so slow. But you know what I realized, that time I didn't enjoy it because I was just busy catching up with that person. I didn't enjoy this beautiful jungle that I was in, and I didn't enjoy myself in sort of relishing या enjoying that environment. मैं ट्रैकिंग क्यों कर रही हूँ? मेरे एंजॉयमेंट के लिए ना, मेरे को किसी और को दिखाने के लिए तो ट्रैकिंग नहीं कर रही हूँ। तो ठीक है, मैंने डिसाइड किया कि हाँ मेरा स्टैमिना खराब है ना, मैं इतना फास्ट नहीं चल सकती, मुझे स्लो जाने को अच्छा लगता है, मुझे अगर कीड़ा दिख गया तो मुझे वो एंजॉय करने को अच्छा लगता है, तो वो मैं अगर किसी प्रोफेशनल ट्रैकर के साथ करूंगी, वो लोग तो तर आगे चले जाएंगे। तो मैंने डिसाइड किया मेरे को उनके साथ जाने की जरूरत नहीं है, मैं अपना रास्ता अपने साथ चल सकती हूँ ना। दैट इज बेसिकली व्हाट इज taking care of yourself. Be careful of how you are talking to yourself because you are listening. So be your own best friend. That's what I've written. A lot of times we are so harsh ना, हम लोग जैसे अपने दोस्तों से भी बात नहीं करते, उतनी गंदी तरीके से हम अपने आप से बात करते हैं, और वो सबसे तुम्हारे लाइफ के लिए डेट्रीमेंटल चीज होती है। हम लोग कॉन्स्टेंटली अपने आप को तेरे से नहीं होगा, तू फेलियर है। ये एग्जांपल मैं सबसे, टेक योरसेल्फ ऑन डेट्स, यस यू शुड, जस्ट लाइक करीना, मैं अपनी फेवरेट हूँ, करेक्ट। You can have other favorites also. There's nothing wrong in that. See, again, यहाँ पर मैं ये नहीं बोल रही हूँ, I'm not asking you to have a false sense of love for yourself. हाँ, ये false नहीं है. If you do believe that there is something, that an area where you want to make a difference and you want to change and improve, absolutely you should. ओके हमको कंप्लेसेंट नहीं बनना है कि हाँ बस मैं तो तोप है, मेरे को सब आता है. That's also another level also of problem, because that's also a sign of insecurity. ओके बट यहाँ पर कैसी बात है कि हाँ मेरे को केटी लग गई और मैंने ठीक से पढ़ाई नहीं किया, आई फील बैड, बट यू नो व्हाट, I'm going to work on myself. Maybe something did go wrong that I didn't really envision at that point, but now I'm in a better space and I can definitely take care of myself. So be nice to yourself. जैसे तुम अपने बेस्ट फ्रेंड, अगर तुम्हारे बेस्ट फ्रेंड को कभी केटी लग गई और वो बोलता है तुमको कि मैं आई फील लाइक कमिटिंग सुसाइड, यू विल टेल योर फ्रेंड ना, तू पागल है क्या, ये एग्जाम आते जाते रहेंगे, इससे कोई इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है. सो यू आर सो नाइस एंड कंसिडरेट टू योर फ्रेंड. बट इमेजिन इफ द सेम केटी अगर तुमको लगती है, तो you feel like it's the end of the world. Everybody is going to remember this and they're going to make you feel bad about it, and you in turn make yourself feel bad about it. People don't even remember. Okay, let me tell you my own experience. I also failed one test of sociology in my first year. Nobody remembers. Look at me, I have a professor's job. So nobody remembers or nobody cares about those marks after some time. What they care about is how you become later, and for that you need to start working today. Okay, know when to say no. There is no shame or no guilt, or there should not be any problem in ever saying no, even though these people may have been the best of the people in your life. If you feel like your resources are completely depleted, कि मेरे से हो ही नहीं रहा है, मेरे पास कुछ बचा ही नहीं है, तो प्लीज नो बोलना सीखो. हर एक चीज को, हर एक इंसान को अपने ऊपर अगर तुम रखोगे और उनको हाँ हाँ बोलते रहोगे, तो रिमेम्बर करो, तुम उनको हाँ बोलते टाइम अपने आप को नहीं बोल रहे हो. So the only person you owe everything to, you don't give that person any importance. Okay, so yes, even if others care, we should do what is important for us. Correct. Be real. You don't need to be the real you. Yes, absolutely. Real पे तो क्या ही चलता रहता है, right? Charlotte, no, okay. Physical health, right? Like I told you, physical health and mental health are absolutely connected. There is a huge, amount of endorphins, which are your happy hormones that get released when you take care of your physical health. What happens is that when you're feeling shitty because of your mental health issues, there is a very good chance you are going to completely neglect your physical health. कि आज मन ही नहीं कर रहा उठने का, बिल्कुल भी मन नहीं कर रहा, चलने का मन नहीं कर रहा, एक्सरसाइज करने का मन नहीं कर रहा, और उसकी वजह से फिर और भी गंदा गंदा फील होने लगता है. तो अगर तुम कर सको, अपने लिए एक रूटीन बनाओ जहां पे तुम एक्सरसाइज करो अपने लिए, like every day, just make that one routine. These routines have known to actually help a lot of people. Okay, Princey is saying, see, that's what the point is. Even if you don't love yourself or fall in love with yourself first, you should always believe in yourself, trust yourself and your capabilities. But that will only happen when you start accepting yourself for who you are. What if being nice to ourselves turns into taking everything for granted because it's okay? Won't it result in incompetence? No. So that's what I said, right? It's not about complacency कि भाई मैं पूरी तरह से perfect हूँ. परफेक्ट कोई भी नहीं है, और परफेक्ट का मतलब भी सबके लिए अलग होने वाला है. But the whole idea is, when you are taking care of yourself, you are not going to put yourself down. Realistic understanding of where you stand is nevertheless still extremely essential. You are not going to let that go. Okay. See, again, there's a balance to everything. I am not going to hate other people so that I love myself. I'm not going to put myself down entirely either. I'm going to be in the middle, where I realize that these are my shortcomings and these are the things that I need to work upon. At the same time, I'm not going to be harsh with myself. Now, simple stuff, okay? a lot of you are my students, and that's why I can take this example also, that jab tum log ko main I'm not somebody who screams or shouts at my students or punishes my students at all. Now imagine if I was to actually make you feel really bad about who you are and constantly taunt you, would you even remotely be interested in doing anything? Sound inviting? Would that want you to be interested in psychology? Would that want you to take up psychology and study more of it? No, right? I mean, Zui says no, so no. Mishika also says no. So अब पॉजिटिव एनवायरनमेंट, जब हम स्टडीज के बारे में बात कर सकते हैं, तो वैसे हमारे लाइफस्टाइल के बारे में क्यों नहीं बात कर सकते? कि हाँ, यू नो व्हाट, अगर मैं खुद के लिए कॉन्स्टेंटली नेगेटिव एनवायरनमेंट बनाऊंगा, तो मैं अपने आप को पुश भी नहीं करने वाला हूँ, बिकॉज आई विल स्टार्ट बिलीविंग दैट आई एम अ डिस्गस्टिंग पर्सन. ओके, positive, yes, positive things always matter because they are the biggest drivers. तुम अपनी लाइफ में देख लो, तुमको वही टीचर्स पसंद आए होंगे जिन्होंने आपको बहुत ऐसा अच्छे से समझाया. ऐसा नहीं कि तुमको अननेसली सर पे चढ़ाया, वो भी नहीं होना चाहिए, लेकिन ऐसा टीचर जो तुमको एक लविंग एनवायरनमेंट देता है, वो सब्जेक्ट तुमको अच्छे से याद होगा या तुमको लगेगा कि हाँ ये करना है. तो अगर ऐसा है, तो वो हम हमारे लिए क्यों नहीं यूज कर सकते, हमारे खुद के डेवलपमेंट के लिए, कि हम खुद के लिए एक ऐसा एनवायरनमेंट बनाए जब यहाँ पे हम खुश रह सके, राइट? सो फिजिकल एनवायरनमेंट, फिजिकल हेल्थ का भी जैसे मैंने बोला बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. एक रूटीन बनाओ. इट्स डेफिनेटली नॉट ओवररेटेड. नाउ दैट इज समथिंग दैट आई डेफिनेटली वांट टू से कि इट्स नॉट ओवररेटेड टू टेक केयर ऑफ योर फिजिकल हेल्थ. फाइंड योर हैप्पी प्लेस. Now, a lot of people already know what my happy place is. My happy place is cats. I love cats. I love animals in general. I love the nature. So for me, whenever I feel low, if in any way, one of the biggest, mood lifters for me is to just go down and play with my dogs that I feed over here. It used to be my cat that I used to absolutely adore and love. Everyone is going to have different things that make them extremely happy. It could be your best friend, it could be just a hug with your mother, it could be your boyfriends or your girlfriends, or just a place that is close to your house that just makes you feel nice. It could be your terrace. Charlotte says her happy place is sleep. That's great too. The whole idea is that you need to go and enjoy your happy place. Just be mindful of your happy place at that point. That time when you're in your happy place, don't think about अरे मुझे इतना सा pressure है, मुझे इतना stress है. बस तभी उस time पे, so let me tell you, like when I go and meet my dogs, they're just so happy to see me कि मेरे को बस लगता है कि हाँ बस यहीं पे रहना है. How to feed yourself when you had mistaken somewhere, especially in your particular activity. Accept your problems. That's what Jay Kumar asks me. So accept your issues, accept your shortcomings. There's nothing wrong. So acceptance में जो सबसे पहला part मैंने बोला था, अगर तुमको तुम्हारी गलती कहीं लगती है कि हाँ मैंने ये नहीं करना चाहिए था, तो बस accept कर लो and next time मत करना. Simple. It's not, तुमको खुद को मारने की जरूरत नहीं है. Just because you don't have to kill yourself just because you made a mistake somewhere. You are probably going to make mistakes, many more mistakes all throughout your life. How you deal with those mistakes is going to actually contribute or contribute in every way to your mental health, adversely या फिर उसको अच्छा करने में. Why we take everything for granted, don't work on our goals thinking it's just because of our mental health. How do we avoid that? We do take a lot of things for granted, and yes, we will talk about that also. But let me finish this first, okay? Don't bottle up your feelings. Always, it's not place. It can be yes, absolutely. It can be things that make you happy. Sometimes when I'm feeling low, you know what I do? I just put on a face pack also. I'm not somebody who does a lot of beauty treatments or whatever, but just to lift myself up, I will just do that. It's something as simple as that. It's just to detox. It's to just stop yourself from obsessing over something that's bringing you down. So that happy place, very rightly, like Princey says, it can be anything. It can be just a hug, it can be just a smile, it can be a conversation with your best friend, it can be anything. Yes. And you know what, When do you look good? When you are healthy, when you're happy. That's the best thing. When you take care of yourself, and not just physically. That's also what I wanted to say. Don't bottle up your emotions. Please talk to people. Okay. The more you talk to people, the more I know it gets sometimes really difficult to be vulnerable in front of other people. कि अरे यार मैं कुछ उसको बोल दूंगी, ये मेरा उस information का गलत फायदा उठा लेगा या ये होगा. So yes, that takes a little bit of. Can a happy place be a person? Absolutely. Happy place can be anything. It can be a place, it can be a person, it can be a thing, it can be just a habit, it can be anything. Happy place is just something that makes you happy. Okay, it calms you down, it just sends you these happy vibes and you feel rested.
Can you find Samika ma'am?
All right, so all these things are your happy places. So bottling up emotions, again, yes, exactly. So when you're talking about bottling your emotions, I know that it gets a little difficult to speak to people whom you don't trust, and this is the tricky part where you have to somehow learn through experience whom you can or cannot trust. Okay, but bottling up emotions never is an option. Make yourself a priority. There is I don't know, but bottling is much better than sharing, because सामने वाला वैसे भी नहीं समझने वाला है. I agree, but वही मैं बोल रही हूँ कि this is a little, that's what I said, कि वो थोड़ा tricky है. हमको ये देखना जरूरी है कि हम किसको किसके साथ शेयर कर सकते हैं. कोई ना कोई तो जिंदगी में हम लोग को मिल सकता है जिसके साथ हम शेयर कर सकते हैं, पर वो तभी मिलेगा जब हम एवरी टाइम वल्नरेबल होते हैं. अच्छे रिलेशनशिप्स तभी बनते हैं जब हम वी रिस्क आवरसेल्व्स इनटू पुटिंग आवरसेल्व्स इन अ सिचुएशन जहाँ पे हम किसी के सामने वल्नरेबल हो जाते हैं, और वो सामने वाला आदमी इंस्टेड ऑफ डिसिंग अस वो हाथ बढ़ाता है, एंड देन वी फील लाइक यस ये यही तो चाहिए, राइट? दिस इज द बेस्ट थिंग. सो प्लीज ऑल्सो देन मेक योरसेल्फ अ प्रायोरिटी. कभी भी अपने आप को पीछे मत ढकेल देना. तो हमारे सोसाइटी में ये थोड़ा सा रहता है कि अरे नहीं, दूसरों के बारे में सोचो, वो बड़े हैं, उनको क्या लगेगा, ये करेंगे वो करेंगे. नहीं, पर कभी तो अपने बारे में सोचना भी जरूरी है ना. कभी तो क्या, हमेशा ही अपने बारे में सोचना जरूरी है. नॉट टू अ पॉइंट ऑफ सेल्फिशनेस that is seen negatively in our society, but being selfish in a way that you know your own limits. Okay, when I say that I can't do this, or this is how far as I can go, I am saying that I am aware of who I am as a person. Okay, I am saying that no, you know what, इससे मैं आगे करूंगा तो मेरा मेंटल हेल्थ डिप्लीट होने वाला है, तो मैं ये नहीं कर सकता हूँ. तो मैं तुम्हारे अगेंस्ट नहीं हूँ. इट्स जस्ट दैट आई एम फॉर माई सेल्फ. Okay, when we bottle ourselves up, we suffer mentally because we are not able to speak, and then one day it explodes. हाँ, गलती से हम लोग हमेशा, और हमेशा क्या, कितनी बार तो हमारे किसी और के प्रॉब्लम चल रही है, और मैं गलती से अपने फ्रेंड के ऊपर एक्सप्लोड हो जाता हूँ, या मम्मी डैडी पे एक्सप्लोड हो जाता हूँ. क्यों? क्योंकि मैंने बॉटल अप करके रख दिया है, मुझे बताना नहीं है किसी को कुछ भी, और फिर वो किसी भी अलग अलग तरीके से, और मैं अगर समझो वो एक्सप्लोर भी नहीं करता हूँ कहीं, तो वो फिर तब्दील हो जाएगा मेंटल हेल्थ इशू में. तो इसीलिए हमको बॉटलिंग अप नहीं करना है. ठीक है. आस्किंग फॉर हेल्प इज ए साइन ऑफ स्ट्रेंथ. इट टेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ करेज टू आस्क फॉर हेल्प. इट्स डेफिनेटली नॉट अ वीकनेस. ओके, हमने पूरी तरह से ऐसे पहले से बता के रखा हुआ है सबको कि अरे आत्मनिर्भर बनो. बहुत अच्छी बात है ये, बाय द वे. आत्मनिर्भर बनने की ही हम लोग अभी तक बातें कर रहे थे कि हाउ कैन यू टेक केयर ऑफ योरसेल्फ. ओके, बट एट द सेम टाइम, making yourself priority is not selfish. Asking for help is not weakness. So these are definitely the most important things that I thought I should share with you. Now this is one thing that I completely believe in. You can't pour from an empty cup. Now this again, because some of y'all are my students, you know this. I tell you very specifically that on Sundays, I am not going to talk to anybody. I am not going to do any work related things. This is because for me, this refilling is very essential. Okay. Why does setting a boundary for ourselves so difficult? And why are we labeled to be selfish if we do that? Well, that's the point, right? We care too much about other people. Why should we care about what other people think? Now the same thing, there may be certain students, I can take my own example, that some students might think, अरे मैम को एक मैसेज को रिप्लाई करने में क्या जा रहा है, तुम एक मैसेज कर रहे हो मुझे, बट ऐसे मुझे बहुत सारे लोग मैसेज कर सकते हैं, राइट? और करते भी है, और मैं हर एक इंसान का ऐसे करूंगी तो मेरा रिफ्यूलिंग कैसे होगा? Keeping yourself healthy and fit mentally and physically is the first priority, and then tackling with grievance can be easy for us. Very correct, Jay Kumar. Okay, simple stuff है. मैं हमेशा मेरे स्टूडेंट्स को बोलती हूँ कि कुछ टाइम मुझे मेरे लिए ऑफ चाहिए. ये बहुत अच्छा इसका एक एनालॉजी है. That you have water, right? Water is a life giving energy for us. Like water के बगैर हम लोग जिंदा नहीं रह सकते. So let's think of like our cup as having water, and you are somebody who likes to help other people. कि अरे यार मुझे सबको मदद करना है. I want everybody to be happy around me. So I want to give my water. Whenever I see that my friend is feeling down, I want to give my water to that person, and I want that person to be happy. I am trying to share my resources emotionally with that person. I'm trying to be there for that person. For my parents, I'm trying to be there. I'm trying to be there for my boyfriend or my girlfriend or whatever. I am doing all these things because I really want to help other people. Now, in doing so, what am I doing? My water level is going down. With every time I emotionally invest in anybody, my water levels are going down. And there will come a time if I don't refill my own water, it's not going to happen. I will have nothing to pour and give to other people, right? Simple. So that's why I have to basically refuel. और हम refuel कैसे करेंगे? We go to our happy place. We do stuff for ourselves, things that make us happy. Happy places can also be like creating stuff. I love making stuff. So like I like block printing. I like coloring things, just creating certain, like I love lights. All these things I like. Okay, small things. Reading books. It can be so many things, right? So we refill our cup, and only then we start helping other people. एरोप्लेन से अगर कभी गए हो तो सबसे पहले अनाउंसमेंट में यही देते हैं कि ऑक्सीजन मास्क जब नीचे आए तो पहला अपना ऑक्सीजन मास्क डालना, फिर किसी और की मदद करना. ऐसा नहीं कि किसी और का डालने की कोशिश करो और तुम ही मर जाओ. You will only be of any help to anybody else if you are functional and if you are full. Okay? आधे अधूरे इंसान किसी और आधे अधूरे इंसान को खुश नहीं कर सकते. Okay, yes, you can share your stories and everything and it'll be great. It's essential to know what, how, when, where and how long we are going to be in this. A typical analysis is required on self mindset. Absolutely. Now we'll move on to what can you do to, this is the last part of our session, ki how can we help other people. Absolutely. So how can we help other people in distress? How can we support other people? तो सबसे पहली बात है empathy and genuineness. Okay, empathy and genuineness. Empathy मतलब जो तुम फील कर रहे हो वही मैं फील करने की कोशिश कर सकती हूँ. Okay, I can try to make you feel or rather I can try to understand what you are feeling. And genuineness, अगर कोई तुम्हारे पास आता है तो फेक एम्पैथी मत दिखाओ. अगर कोई चीज समझ में ना आए तो बताओ कि नहीं समझ में आ रही है. बट जस्ट बिकॉज मेरा फ्रेंड है, मेरे को उसको बोलना है, इसलिए फेक चीजें मत करो. जेन्युइननेस कि हाँ ठीक है, अगर कोई तुम्हारा फ्रेंड तुमसे ऑनेस्ट ओपिनियन मांगता है तो एक तो गेज करने की कोशिश करो, अंडरस्टैंड करने की कोशिश करो कि एग्जैक्टली क्या किस चीज से वो गुजर रहा है. ये पिक्चर मेरे को बहुत ज्यादा अच्छा लगा. क्यों? क्योंकि अगर तुम देख सकते हो दोनों लोगों के माइंड में एक्चुअली अलग पिक्चर है, पर जो दूसरा वाला इंसान है वो उसको समझने की कोशिश कर रहा है. जैसे वन ऑफ द पर्सन्स मेंशन्ड इन द चैट ग्रुप कि किसी को वैसे भी समझ में नहीं आने वाला है हम लोग क्या गो थ्रू करते हैं, तो क्यों ही किसी को कुछ बताना है. तो हाँ, आई अग्री कि 100% तो कोई नहीं समझ पाएगा, क्योंकि वो तुम थोड़ी हो कि वो लोग पूरी तरह से समझ जाएंगे. पर अगर कोई इतना केयर करता है तो वो डेफिनेटली समझने की कोशिश करेगा या करेगी. Okay, and that is what is called empathy. And based on empathy and genuineness, ये दो चीज हम जब किसी को किसी को extend करते हैं आधा time. So one of the things that I truly believe in is that सबसे ज्यादा तकलीफ हमको तब होती है जब हमको कोई understand नहीं करता. कि अरे मम्मी डैडी अंडरस्टैंड नहीं करते, फ्रेंड अंडरस्टैंड नहीं कर रहा, बॉयफ्रेंड गर्लफ्रेंड अंडरस्टैंड नहीं कर रहे, टीचर अंडरस्टैंड नहीं करे, सोसाइटी ही समझ नहीं पा रही है कि मैं कौन हूँ, क्या हूँ। तो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट बात है कि तुम अगर तुम्हारे फ्रेंड के को रिस्पॉन्ड कर रहे हो तो ऐसे रिस्पॉन्ड करो कि हाँ मैं समझने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ या कर रही हूँ, मुझे शायद समझ में पूरी तरह से ना आए पर मैं डेफिनेटली कोशिश कर रही हूँ, और वो एफर्ट भी तुम्हारा इनफ होगा उस आदमी के लिए दैट टाइम। समझ में आ रहा है? सो एम्पैथी एंड जेन्युइननेस इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग। ओके, डोंट अज्यूम एवर कि उसको क्या चाहिए। हाउ कैन आई हेल्प यू, हाउ डू यू वांट टू बी हेल्प्ड, आस्क देम, मैं कैसे तुमको मदद करूं, तुम मुझे बताओ। तुम मत अज्यूम करो कि तुमको ये उसके लिए करना है। उसको पूछो कि अरे व्हाट वुड यू लाइक मी टू डू, व्हाट डू यू वांट टू हियर फ्रॉम मी। ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। काइंडनेस एंड हैविंग फेथ कैन बिल्ड अप योर फेम एंड इंपॉर्टेंस टू अदर्स व्हिच डायरेक्टली मेक्स others and you yourself happy. If that's how you derive happiness, great. But here we are just trying to be nice to people that we love, and this is how you should respond to somebody. Don't try to tell them अरे मैं तेरे को बताता तूने क्या करना चाहिए, नहीं, ये गलत बात है। ask them, उनको क्या चाहिए, what is their end goal, what do they want from you, do they just want you to listen, then just listen, do they want you to give them some opinion, then yes, empathy के साथ, genuineness के साथ तुम उनको अपना opinion दो। okay? और वो अगर तुमसे कोई एडवाइस मांग रहे तो वो पूछो, लेकिन तुम अपनी तरफ से अज्यूम मत करो कि उनको क्या होना चाहिए, मिलना चाहिए। सबसे पहली बात, जब तुम बात करो कि उनके इमोशंस को कभी डिसमिस मत करो, कभी कंपेयर मत करो, डायग्नोज या लेबल करने की कोशिश मत करो, या जनरलाइज मत करो। दिस इज द लास्ट थिंग। लाइक जस्ट पुट योरसेल्फ इन दैट पर्सन्स शूज एंड से कि अच्छा अगर मैं दुख से गुजर रहा हूं तो अगर मुझे कोई बोलता है अरे बाकी लोग भी ऐसे ही गुजरते हैं, तो मुझे अच्छा लगता है क्या कि बाकी लोग भी गुजर रहे हैं? मुझे तभी फर्क नहीं पड़ता ना कि कोई और भी रो रहा है कहीं तो दुनिया में, कि हाँ मुझे मालूम है कि दुनिया में मेरे से अब भी बहुत सारे लोग बहुत ही बदतर जिंदगी जी रहे हैं, जिनके पास खाना खाने के लिए नहीं है, कुपोषण से मर रहे हैं, कैंसर से दुख में है, बहुत और चीजों की वजह से रेप हो रहे हैं, ये हो रहा है, वो हो रहा है। ये सुन के क्या मेरा दुख कम होता है? नहीं होता है ना। सो ये जो चीज है ये मेरे को जानना बहुत जरूरी है कि जो जिससे मैं बात कर रही हूँ वो मुझे डिसमिस ना करे, वो मुझे किसी और के साथ कंपेयर ना करे, वो कभी लेबल ना करे, अरे तेरे को तो ना डिप्रेशन है, अरे तेरे को ना एंजाइटी का प्रॉब्लम है। लेबल मत करो, अंडरस्टैंड करने की कोशिश करो। समटाइम्स पीपल डोंट नीड आवर ओपिनियंस, दे जस्ट वांट अस टू लिसन। सो दिस इज एग्जैक्टली, डोंट एवर जनरलाइज देयर पेन कि हाँ एवरीबॉडी गोज थ्रू दिस फेज। सो व्हेन अभी कोई तो किसने तो बोला ना कि पेरेंट्स से दिस इज जस्ट अ फेज, तो अच्छा लगता है जब पेरेंट्स बोलते हैं कि दिस इज जस्ट अ फेज। यू फील ना कि अरे ये तो जनरलाइज कर रहे हैं, मैं जो गुजर रहा हूँ उसको तो वो समझने की कोशिश भी नहीं कर रहे हैं, वो बस ऐसा एक टैग लगा दिया कि जनरलाइज और खत्म। फिर उसके आगे तो वो देखने की भी कोशिश नहीं करे कि अरे बच्चा क्या गुजर रहा है, किस चीज से गुजर रहा है। तो यू डोंट वांट दैट ना, सो यू आल्सो शुड नॉट एक्सटेंड दैट टू अदर पीपल। एक्टिव लिसनिंग, लिसन टू द एंटायर मैसेज, वो क्या बोलने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। अगर वो फीलिंग के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं तो उनकी फीलिंग जानने की कोशिश करो, अगर थॉट्स बोल रहे हैं तो थॉट्स जानने की कोशिश करो। तो जस्ट शब्दों पर नहीं, उसके पीछे का मैसेज समझने की कोशिश करो। लुक एट देयर बॉडी लैंग्वेज, नॉन वर्बल क्यूज कि how is their body, how is their eye contact, वो कैसे तुमको कोई चीज कि कौन से वर्ड्स पे ज्यादा एम्फसाइज करके बात करते हैं, ये सब तुमको करना है। यू हैव टू लेट देम नो दैट यू आर लिसनिंग कि हाँ अभी तुम लोग बात कर रहे हो तो मैं ऐसा, हाँ अच्छा हाँ तू बोल ना, अच्छा ओके ऐसा ऐसा मैं करूँ तो आपको कैसे लगेगा? लगेगा कि मैं सुन रही हूँ? नहीं ना। So you have to show that they're listening. One of the ways is by putting yourself forward. Your body language says that you're interested in, not a gossipy way of course, but you're interested in what they have to say. They have to feel like उनको जो बोलना है वो किसी को सुनना है। ओके ये सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है। अवॉइड इंटरप्शंस, बार बार उनको बीच में टोको मत, अरे लेकिन अरे ये नहीं, फिर ऐसा लगता है कि तुम सुन नहीं रहे हो, तुम अपनी विशेष टिप्पणी देने के लिए बैठे हो वहां पर, तो वो नहीं करना है हमको। ठीक है, प्रोवाइड फीडबैक इन द सेंस दैट अच्छा मुझे लग रहा है तुम ये बोल रहे हो, क्या तुम ये बोल रहे हो, तो मुझे करेक्ट कर सकते हो अगर मैं गलत समझ रहा हूँ या गलत समझ रही हूँ, तो तुम फीडबैक दो कि अच्छा दिस इज व्हाट यू आर सेइंग, इज इट। तो ऐसे इससे क्या होगा, उसको भी पता चलेगा कि तुम सुन रहे हो और उसको मालूम है कि तुम समझ भी रहे हो। So this is how you're going to provide and clarify and talk about what. And of course, reserve your judgment. Please don't judge people. I know that we judge people all the time, okay, but when somebody is going through distress, judgment is the last thing that they want from you. If they've come to you, they trust you enough to actually at least not do that. So reserve your judgment. That's the most important thing. Keep calm and respect other people's privacy. ठीक है, अगर कोई तुमको आगे कोई सीक्रेट बता रहा है, प्लीज उसको जाके पूरे गांव भर में करना मत, बिकॉज उससे क्या होगा, वो इंसान आगे से कभी तुमको कुछ शेयर नहीं करेगा। और जैसे होगा ना, जैसे कुछ बच्चे मेरे को प्राइवेट में भी लिख रहे हैं चैट में कि क्या ही फायदा होगा, बिकॉज दीज आर द पीपल हु हैड ट्रस्टेड सम पीपल एंड दे ब्रोक दैट ट्रस्ट. So what has happened is that now they don't trust anybody with their most important things. Yes, Bhumika, have you raised your hand? You want to ask something? Or is that by mistake? We should also make sure that the opposite person needs an ear to listen to. And yes, absolutely. ओके, टॉप ये गॉसिप का टॉपिक नहीं है, कोई तो तुमको आके, ये काउंसलर्स बाय द वे ये सब करते हैं कि व्हेन यू कम टू अस वी आर नॉट अलाउड टू स्पीक अबाउट एनीथिंग, ओके, वी कैन डिस्कस केसेस, बट आई कांट बी लाइक व्हाट श्रुति नंदर जो है ना, उसको ऐसे ऐसे प्रॉब्लम है, पता है ये मेरे को उसने ही बोला है हमारे काउंसलिंग सेशन में, ऐसा कभी नहीं बोलूंगी. बट एज अ मेथड ऑफ टीचिंग, counselors do exchange, and when they're doing this academically they do talk about cases, but they never talk about the person. Okay, so please respect people's privacy. तुम काउंसलर्स नहीं हो, फिर भी अगर तुमको रिस्पेक्ट दिखाना है तो रिस्पेक्ट करो कि उन्होंने आपको ट्रस्ट करके ये चीजें बोली है, तो यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड कि ये आप उनका ट्रस्ट नहीं तोड़ो, नहीं तो धीरे धीरे अपने को इंसानियत पे से ही विश्वास उठ जाता है. Last thing is, you aren't selfish to put yourself first. Okay, now this has got, of course, not to do with helping other people, but this is still again a reminder that you need to first take care of yourself. Okay, kitna, how can we reach you for help? I will tell you how you can reach me for help. Okay, you aren't selfish for putting yourself to yourself first. The last slide, this is what I absolutely love. This is called the Gestalt prayer. Okay, I do my thing and you do your thing. I am not in this world to live up to your expectations, and you are not in this world to live up to mine. You are you and I am I, and if by chance we find each other, it's the most beautiful thing. But if not, then it can't be helped. The entire idea behind this is so beautiful that yes, in this world we will not agree or get along with everybody. This is absolutely beautiful. So we will not get along with everybody. Okay, we are not bound to, because we are so different, we will not get along with everybody. But if by being me you still love me, and if by being you I still love you and we get along, इससे बेहतर कोई relationship नहीं हो सकता. और अगर नहीं हुआ तो नहीं हुआ, ठीक है ना, नहीं हुआ, डजंट मैटर. हमको हमेशा कोई चीज फोर्स तो थोड़ी करनी जरूरी है. But this is exactly the crux of making mental health in normal conversation, by being yourself, by being what you want to be. Okay, and by not bottling up and all the things that we spoke about today. I hope that you did get a sense of the fact that firstly mental health is an extremely important issue, the fact that we need to destigmatize talking about it, getting help, and also the fact that we can do small things to take care of ourselves. And how do we respond to other people whom we love and whom we want to be there for, but sometimes we just don't know how to respond to things. So these, I thought, were some of the things that we could definitely talk about, and I hope that these were clear. I know that you have lots of questions. Unfortunately we won't be able to take many, and like I said, because I like cats, This is of course my last slide. But before we go on, can I ask Puneet? Puneet is the secretary of Social Science Association. Puneet, can you please put the feedback form in the chat box so that people can start? You sent me a question, Viansh. Viansh, I don't see your question. You can ask me the question orally. Meanwhile, Puneet can put the question, and we will. Are there any questions? Viansh, I didn't get your question. Yes. Puneet has just put the form. Please please give us feedback, because it's really essential to make such. If you did like it, then we can make such sessions more available. If you didn't like it, we would like to know where we can improve. So it's really important that you please give us feedback. Fill in very honestly whatever you felt. There's no problem in that. Mishika has a question. Yes, Mishika, you can ask me a question. After that, Priyansh can ask me his question, because he asked me a question, I can't find it. So yes, Mishika, go ahead.
Ma'am, a month ago, I realized that I need to love myself and make myself my first priority. आपने जो कप की भी बात बोली, I didn't use the same example to explain myself, but something similar. I explained to myself. So then I started doing exercises. I did that for 2 to 3 days, and then I stopped.
Okay.
So all these things, whenever I do things for myself, वो सिर्फ temporary होती है, 3-4 दिन तक होती है, and then I'm back to square one. Why does this happen?
So the thing is that we're also, see, as human beings, we are creatures of habit, and we are also creatures who enjoy instant gratification. Now instant gratification बोले तो क्या, फटाफट चाहिए मेरे को ऐसा इतना टाइम किसी में भी डालने को फायदा नहीं होता है. इसीलिए काउंसलिंग में बहुत सारे लोग ड्रॉप आउट हो जाते हैं, बिकॉज किसी के पास पेशेंस नहीं है इतना टाइम तक अपने ऊपर काम करने का. तुम एक सिंपल सी बात अंडरस्टैंड करो. तुम 18 साल 19 साल के लोग हो, और 18-19 साल से तुमने एक पैटर्न अपने में बराबर करके रखा हुआ है. अब इस पैटर्न को तुमको बदलना है, तो तुमको एक दिन में पैटर्न बदल जाएगा, 2 दिन में पैटर्न बदल जाएगा, 3 दिन में पैटर्न बदल जाएगा? नहीं, ये तुमने आदत बनाई है ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. सो अगर तुमको उसको गेट ओवर भी करना है, तो उसको भी तो टाइम लगेगा ना. इट विल नॉट हैपन ओवरनाइट. सो इट इज समथिंग दैट यू हैव टू कीप ऑन प्रैक्टिसिंग. सिंपल सी बात है, अगर किसी को टेनिस जीतना है, ग्रैंड स्लैम जीतना है, वो बोल देगा मैं 2 दिन प्रैक्टिस कराता रहे पर हो ही नहीं रहा है, नदाल जैसे शॉट ही नहीं बैठ रहे, तो हो जाएगा? नहीं होगा ना. नदाल ने बचपन से इसका प्रैक्टिस किया है, तब आज जाकर वो वन ऑफ द बेस्ट प्लेयर्स है. फेडरर ने, सचिन तेंदुलकर बचपन से क्रिकेट खेला है, तब वो आज इधर है. 1-2 दिन खेल लोगे और फिर बोल लोगे कि हाँ मेरे को भारत रत्न चाहिए क्योंकि मैं अच्छा क्रिकेट खेलता है, मैं 2 दिन खेल रहा था. तो फिर हम ऐसा खुद के लिए भी अप्लाई करना चाहिए. वियांश का क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट इफ यस मिशिका.
So you are saying कि it's because we are not being patient.
You need to be persistent with your change of habits.
Persistent मतलब
अगर हम कोई चेंज करना चाहते हैं तो कॉन्स्टेंटली चेंज करना पड़ेगा ना. एवरी डे वी विल हैव टू वर्क ऑन इट. इट्स नॉट,
वही तो नहीं हो रहा है.
तो कर.
Yeah, ma'am, being consistent is hard at times because
it's very hard, but that's the whole point, that it is not something that will happen overnight. तुमको करना पड़ेगा. अब जैसे मैं घटिया फील कर रही हूँ, वियांश, आई एम सॉरी, आई एम कमिंग टू योर क्वेश्चन. अगर मैं घटिया फील कर रही हूँ, और जब भी मैं डाउन फील करती हूँ तो मैं घटिया फील करती हूँ, लेकिन अगर मुझे अपने बॉडी पे वर्क करना है तो मुझे अपने आप को उस घटिया वाले सिचुएशन से उठाना पड़ेगा और मुझे भागना पड़ेगा. मुझे एक्सरसाइज करना ही पड़ेगा. आई हैव टू फोर्स माई सेल्फ. नाउ एक सिंपल सी बात है, ये फिजिक्स का है. अगर यहाँ से फोर्स आ रहा है और मुझे यहाँ पे वो चीज नहीं चाहिए, तो मुझे यहाँ से फोर्स तो डालना पड़ेगा ना. और फिर वो तो ऐसे ऐसे ही आता रहेगा, लेकिन मुझे वो कॉन्स्टेंटली ऐसे करना पड़ेगा, तभी तो ये ऑब्जेक्ट यहाँ से मेरे सामने से चला जाएगा. मैं ऐसे एक्सपेक्ट करूंगी हाँ मैंने ये कर दिया अब ये ऑब्जेक्ट चला जाए, तो नहीं होने वाला है. वी हैव टू कीप ऑन गिविंग इट काउंटर फोर्स. And that counter force is basically why I spoke about these small things you have to keep on doing for yourself. Okay?
So right. I need to convince myself so that I can be regular on it.
Yes.
Right?
You have to keep on doing it every day. Simple
Okay.
and difficult. Okay. Rajvi, I am available. My phone number is out there. Everybody has my number. Self discipline, yes. Yes, my consistency is key, absolutely. So my number is, you can take down my number. You guys already have my number because everybody should have my number. I'm the counselor. So what happens is that I do counseling sessions for the college, uh, uh, and my sessions are from 12:30 to 3:30 on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And because of this COVID situation, I am doing them online on video calls like this, like Zoom calls or video calls. And the thing that you need to know is that everything is appointment based. And unfortunately, because like I said, COVID में बहुत problems हो रहे हैं, तो appointments are at least 2 to 3 weeks apart. So I will give you the earliest appointment available, and then उसके बाद में एक एक दो तीन तीन हफ्तों के गैप के बीच में फिर आपका अपॉइंटमेंट्स होता रहेगा. Krupali, I've seen your raised hand, but I need to respond to what Viansh has said because Viansh का question वापस ऊपर चला गया. What if a couple went on a movie and the partner tells a story and the other wants to see the movie? So help me out with this. Who is it wrong? Who is wrong? Well, that's a very personal question, isn't it? I don't know. I mean, see, again, counseling is not about telling you what is and who is wrong or not. Okay, it's not about ये सही है ये गलत है. ये अंडरस्टैंडिंग और कंपैटिबिलिटी की बात है. क्लियरली तुम लोग दोनों एक चीज पे अग्री नहीं कर रहे हो, तो मोस्टली सिचुएशन इज अमेजिंग. द होल पॉइंट इज कंपैटिबिलिटी. अभी अगर इफ यू बोथ वैल्यू वेरी डिफरेंट थिंग्स, then you are going to constantly keep fighting about that. So maybe you need to speak about what is important and when you can have a conversation about all these things. And that's just between two people. There is no right or wrong. Someone has to adjust. Yeah, someone just, you can make each other understand ki, haan, theek hai, I can speak to you about this after some time, or maybe if this is so important to you, let's address this first. So again, who compromises and who does not is completely between two people. Zeel, I will come to you. I will first take Krupali's question. Wow, you guys have lots of questions. Krupali, you have raised your hand.
Hello, can you?
Yes, I can hear you now.
Yes, ma'am. Hello.
Yes.
हाँ, so आपने जो शेयरिंग का बात किया, ठीक है. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल हमने कोई भी फ्रेंड है, उसके साथ हमने शेयर किया, तो वो भी सामने वाला भी हम लोग की प्रॉब्लम्स ना एक व्हाट आई थिंक इज वो एक लिमिट तक सुनेगा, फिर वो भी बोर हो जाएगा कि भाई तेरा तो रोज का है.
हाँ.
सो इसलिए मैं नहीं बोला था कि मतलब खुद का बॉटलिंग, मतलब खुद की चीजें खुद तक रखना इज मच बेटर देन किसी को शेयर करना.
Correct. But just put yourself in your friend's shoes and imagine that, let's say I am your friend, okay, and I think that I should not tell you too much, but you love me, okay, we both love each other, we are very good friends, and I feel the way that you feel कि मैं अगर तुमको मेरी सारे questions बार-बार चीजें बोलूंगी तो तुम eventually frustrate होके you will get tired of listening to my crap all the time, and then one day you find out that I committed suicide. What do you think you would like to have done? Would you have liked to listen to me, or would you be comfortable with the fact that I am not alive anymore?
I would love to listen to you.
Correct. So a lot of times we are also assuming on behalf of other people कि उनको हमारा सुनना नहीं होगा. But a lot of times ऐसे ही होता है, अरे यार भाड़ में गया बाकी सब कुछ. I want you to be alive. I love you so much that I want my friend to be alive. तो ठीक है, मैं frustrate हो जाऊंगा, कभी कभी irritate भी हो जाऊंगा कि constantly negative बात कर रहा है. But this is so much better than ever thinking or knowing that you are not alive anymore, right? So yes, speak. Don't assume for those people also. We are constantly just assuming for everybody. This is ridiculous, right? Yes, Viansh. Viansh is not saying anything. How to avoid feeling of abandonment? That's a huge one. Okay, I don't think I can answer that here, because why do you have abandonment is something that needs to be explored. So it will not. How to fill communication gaps? That's simple. Start communicating. Just talk, right? just do it. Nike. ठीक है, जितना करने लग जाओगे उतना कम्युनिकेशन, हम लोग क्या है ना बहुत अज्यूम करते हैं, जैसे अभी कृपाली के क्वेश्चन में भी ऐसे था कि अरे लोग पक जाएंगे, ये हो जाएगा, वो हो जाएगा, हम बहुत अज्यूम करते हैं। तो अरे उसने मेरा समझना चाहिए ना, मेरे को जो चाहिए उसने समझना चाहिए, क्यों समझना चाहिए? वो अंतर्यामी नहीं है, कोई भी अंतर्यामी नहीं है, साइकोलॉजिस्ट हूँ मैं भी अंतर्यामी नहीं हूँ। तो मैं जनरली ऐसा करती हूँ, मुझे किसी से कुछ चाहिए होता है, तो अगर मेरा मेरा फ्रेंड है या मेरा बॉयफ्रेंड है या मेरी फ्रेंड है, तो मैं बोलूंगी आई वांट यू टू बी अ लिटिल मोर अवेलेबल फॉर मी, दैट्स इट। ओके, आई एम नॉट गोना अज्यूम दैट तुमको समझना चाहिए मुझे क्या चाहिए तुमसे, दैट्स ऑल क्रैप। ओके, आई विल जस्ट टेल यू ना, आई कैन टेल यू, मैं इतना बोल सकती हूँ तुमको कि हाँ मुझे चाहिए कि तुम मेरे साथ ज्यादा टाइम स्पेंड करो, एंड तुम बोलोगे कि मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है, तो आई विल बी लाइक नहीं पर मुझे थोड़ा तो टाइम चाहिए, सो let's meet somewhere in the middle. So that depends on how two people communicate with each other, right? Why do people say I'm going to be the therapist because of you? Oh, yeah, I don't even feel like responding to that, because I feel like, yeah, these are the people who are thinking that they're just solving issues for you. See, of course they might be helping you deal with the issues, but they're not necessarily going to solve anything for you ना, मतलब वो बहुत गलत बात है, ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए किसी को। अभी तुम अगर, बिकॉज द सेकेंड पार्ट ऑफ आवर दिस थिंग वाज कि तुमको किसी को मदद करना है, तुमको मदद करना है, तुम मदद करना जताने की वजह से मत करो। ओके, तो फिर मदद मत करो, सिंपल सी बात है। वो भी कैसे होता है, हम लोग जब बोलते हैं ना कि अरे यार इसको बहुत टाइम देना पड़ता है, तो तुमको किसी ने फोर्स किया है कि टाइम देने को, मत करो। बट देन ऑल्सो बी ओके विद द रेपरकशंस ऑफ नॉट हेल्पिंग समबडी, ठीक है? You should be okay with whatever decisions you take. The more you are okay, the better it is for yourself. But what if you say that their actions don't, and you should not ever expect other people's actions to change. अभी तो हम लोग ने बात किया कि हम खुद के एक्शन नहीं चेंज कर पा रहे हैं, दूसरों को क्या करेंगे? So people change only when they want to change. Remember this one thing. Okay, so if they don't want to change, they will not change. Maybe something else will bring out or trigger that change. Maybe you are not helping in that way, but you can just be a support कि ठीक है तू सुन, तू हमेशा से करता है, but I know that I love you enough to just be there for you, so I'm going to be there for you, whatever you may or may not want to change at all, that's fine. Viansh, yes?
Ma'am, I just want to ask you this one thing.
Yes.
That you said something about people's convenience. Like if somebody asks you that be available for me, and then if you be available for them, and then people say that they don't have time now, be available as per my convenience. So is it something that makes sense for you?
I think it's again between two people when the convenience is, see again every relationship, that's why the Fritz Perls the poem that I showed at the last, it makes a lot of sense, because well this is who I am and this is clearly who you are. I can't force you to want to be with me, and I can't force myself to live the way that you are, right? तो अगर हम लोग एक दूसरे को समझ सकते हैं और दोनों एक ऐसे जगह पर आ सकते हैं जहाँ पे दोनों के लिए ओके सिचुएशन है, कोई भी रिलेशनशिप में आप जब रहोगे तब दोनों के लिए ओके होना चाहिए और मन से ओके होना चाहिए। ऐसा नहीं कि मैं बस उसका मन रखने के लिए ओके बोल दिया, ऐसा नहीं। You should genuinely be okay with whatever you are saying. Don't lie. So if you feel like this what they're expecting is completely beyond what you can give, be open about it. And then if the relationship does not work out, then it does not work out. You can't force people anything. So it's more about compatibility than anything else. So I think we need to wrap this up because it's already about 5:30. We've been at it almost for 2 hours. Janvi, sometimes we cannot communicate as we are not in the States. Still, the only option left for us is reading between the lines, where it just flows normally and peacefully. I don't know how many times we get it right when we're reading between the lines. Okay, we do get it right. I'm not saying that we don't, but again we're still assuming what the other person's thinking, feeling, or whatever, right? So it's better we always ask, hey, you know what, I feel that you're distant with me. Why are you so distant? Is something wrong? Is there something that I did? And they will be like, no, there's nothing. So then you can ask for clarifications. Again, ask instead of assuming. Ask. It's always easy to ask. It can be sometimes a little too much, but huh. Thank you, Vyansh. Thank you so much, you guys, for this session, for just being here. Please, again, scroll up and get the feedback form. All right. Thank you, Puneet, for posting the feedback form again. Oh, it's Omkar. Why does it say Vyansh? Okay, sorry. All right. So please, Puneet has posted the form again. Please give us feedback. It makes us much sharper and better and more equipped to handle your questions. And next time, in fact, because one of the questions is what could be improved, you can even suggest what you would like us to do next. We could do that. All right. Thank you so much. Kashish, do you want to take it over?
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Shakima, for breaking your crucial work and sharing with your opinions regarding.
I'm sorry, Kashish, we can't hear you.
Yeah.
Your voice is really low.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, now I can hear you. Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, ma'am, for helping us understand and know more about how mental health works. I guess most of them didn't know how the whole situation in our mind works when we don't know how to figure out the situation has gone wrong. I would like to extend my hearty thank you for the college, KA Shroff, for letting us present this event for the first time, and our chairperson, Lavate sir, for letting us do this event, and especially our participants and the members of Social Science Association for making this event so successful. Thank you, everybody, for joining us.
Thank
And
you
please
so
don't
much.
forget to fill the feedback form.
Thank you so much. Please don't forget to fill the feedback form.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Hello?
Yes.
Ma'am, on the screen, can you just, मतलब वो जो first वाला slide था, जब start हुआ, can you put that on?
Okay, one
like, I
second.
need to click the photo.
Let me just. Are you taking a screenshot?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm goofy and I'm a little mad sometimes, but I think that keeps us alive, right? We do whatever that makes us.
This
make
picture
sense.
is actually very pretty.